Hello guys, my name is Jigar Parekh and I'm the CET 99.99 percentile. And as a student at an MBA college, I realized that I have so many peers who came in with very different expectations, and then they end up saying MBA is not worth it, Indian MBA is worthless. But you know what? I want to first tell you, set your expectations straight. You will love MBA as a journey. I'm loving my MBA journey. But you know what? What will make you love your MBA journey the most is if you come in with the right expectations, if you come in knowing what an Indian MBA is for and what is it going to help you with. So I'm going to see three biggest points that you should be ready with in your head before you start your MBA. Okay. The first one and the most important being Indian MBA is not for value creation, it is for value addition. Now understand this, there is a huge difference between the two. If you come into even a top college like an IIM Ahmedabad or an XLRI or FMS or JBIMS, any top college, it is going to do as much for you as much you are going to do for yourself. That's it. Now understand this, what this means. If you are worth this much, it will increase your worth. It will multiply your worth. But understand, 2 into 5 will become 10, but 1 into 5 will become only 5. So the more you are worth while joining an MBA college, the better will be the addition for you. Because 1 say 5 में सिर्फ 4 बढ़ा, but 2 say 10 में there is 8 का increase. That is how an MBA will work to give you a greater value. So before your MBA, or even if you're taking a re-attempt, समझो अगर नहीं कोई exam clear हो, you are taking a re-attempt, make sure that you're taking up different courses. You can take the CFA level 1 if you want to do finance. For marketing, you can do a digital marketing course. For operations, you can do Six Sigma courses. There are many different courses that you can do that will make value by themselves, and an MBA will help you additionally increase that value. Now the second point is what kind of people, what kind of a person should you be while you join an MBA college? What should be your attitude? You should be a business person before joining an MBA. Before joining an MBA, not even while joining your MBA. And I'll tell you what that means. That does not mean that you don't take up a job. I understand that one of the biggest things for going into an MBA college is the placement, the job that you get out of it. But understand this, a job is only as good as you are going to be at that. Otherwise, you are going to be stuck at the same job. Job package lagega, even if you are at a 20 lakhs ka package, if you are stuck, it makes no sense. Understand this. You want to grow continuously. And how is that going to happen? By having a business mind. You can either do two things, or either you can leave a job and start your own business, where obviously the entire growth prospect is on you. Tum kitna acha business karte ho, that is based on how well you work in it. But the second one, what if you have taken a job? I'll give you an example. Look at Steve Jobs and Sundar Pichai. Steve Jobs came to Apple and he was working at a job. He was not the owner of the company, but he was working at a job. There he came up with things like iPod, the iPhone, the iPad. Understand, these were novel ideas that he had thought of. उन्होंने ये सब ideas सोची and Apple exploded as a company. Same with Google. Google Chrome was a baby of Sundar Pichai. So understand this. These are the people who had an idea and they made it come to life through the businesses that they were working for. That is the kind of mindset that you should have. Have a business mindset that you will grow whatever you are into. You will not just follow orders from seniors. Have that attitude even in an MBA college, that seniors ka sun ke nahi, teachers ka sun ke nahi, main khud se karunga. I will do competitions, I will do other courses that will help me add value to myself so that I'll be a business minded person. And the third and the biggest point, your network is your net worth. When you join an MBA college, chalo, let's take for example, if you join JBIMS. I know 150 of my seniors. I'm going to know 150 of my juniors, and I know 150 people of my batch. That's 450 people who in the next 4 or 5 years are going to be at top positions. आप लाइफ में दो चीजें करोगे, either you are at a job or you will be at a business. अगर बिजनेस में किया, अगर if I am on business, I can contact these 450 people and tell them, अरे सुन तू वो कंपनी में काम कर रहा है ना, I need this tender, can you please help me? He will himself use his contacts in the company and make sure that you get the tender, or at least he'll help you out very much. And the second thing, if you are at a job, if I want to change a job, what is the best way to get hired? Through a referral, right? So in 4 or 5 years, when I want a high level job, I will already have people at many high level positions, not just me, even the alumni. So understand this. Contacting an alumni is much easier as a student of JBIMS. Similarly with all the top colleges. So that network is going to help you increase your worth, increase yourself, and increase your overall life value. So that is what you should be after. These are 3 things that you should have in mind before you join your MBA. Okay. Bye guys.